Sydney, people reported rain up to their ankles. Nearly 24 people had to be rescued from their cars. And again, you're thinking about the weekend. It doesn't matter where you are on our beautiful planet. If it's the weekend, people are getting out, right? And you're trying to enjoy yourself. But think about this. You're going out to the restaurant and you see all of this that's coming into the restaurant, right? It's not staying out on the roads. It's actually coming in, and there's almost like a current with that as well. You'll see some of those cars that are navigating through, and by the way, as they're driving, they're sending those waves towards the cameras there. And we've talked about this here a lot on our show at night. Whenever we talk about international news, you can't think that the infrastructure here in the U.S. is comparable to what you see in Sydney or other areas of the world. They may not have the same type of drainage, but as we mentioned, for these areas of Sydney, it was maybe ankle deep. But some portions of Australia, 30 inches of rain, right? 2.5 feet. Just nowhere on our planet can absorb that much rain. Let's take you now out towards China, where emergency teams in Sichuan province are racing against time to locate over a dozen people after rain triggered a landslide, killing one person and burying homes. Nearly 1,000 personnel were deployed this weekend, and they've been using drones and light detection radars in their search. And just the concern of this when you see the beautiful mountainous areas, and of course we've talked about our own concerns out west here stateside when you have those atmospheric rivers, but it shows you anywhere when you get that torrential rain, you incorporate that higher elevation, and all of that is unleashed. The earth gives way. Fascinating to see the type of technology they use to keep people safe. We'll keep you updated not only global, but here stateside we have so many storms, and many of those will impact here in the Big Apple. More after the break.
This town is full of stories.
Welcome to Spider-Man. Perhaps a deceiver, a shapeshifter. You have to help save everyone. I'm just a kid. That's why you can succeed.
Why are you here?
We are here looking for the Allspark.
check out some of the best video from today. Check out this tricky time lapse from Missouri showing a rare cloud type, aspiratus clouds. They typically form between 4 and 10,000 feet. They're closely associated with atmospheric gravity waves that develop in or ahead of strong wind shear. So it almost looks like you're on the ocean floor just looking up. Enough water gushing into the train stations in Sydney, Australia. The late summer monsoon is in full force on the other side of the world. Some areas have seen 30 inches of rain since last week. 22 people had to be rescued from cars as the waters rose in Sydney. And here's one way to show your neighbors that your driveway has become a literal ice rink. This is a common scene across Pennsylvania this weekend as winter storms moved through. But that wasn't the only thing going on. The ice wasn't going to stop Philadelphia from partying. Of course, the city was celebrating the Eagles' Super Bowl 59 win over the Kansas City Chiefs, the second championship in franchise history. Even here in New York, the Empire State Building reluctantly turning eagle green. So I guess we have to say congrats to the Phillies or to Philly and to Jay Minar, who loves her Eagles, as we await this next snowstorm here along the East Coast. Clouds were out in New York and across much of the U.S. as our weekend storm moved in from the Midwest out towards the East Coast. This is storm number 1 in a series of about 4, for now, storms that are going to be moving through. It's an active pattern that really is showing no signs of slowing down. So storm 1 came through this weekend, brought biggest snow totals to spots like New York City and Boston just for this winter season. And then we have storm number 2 already starting to take shape in the plains, moving towards the mid-Atlantic. That's really going to take place on Tuesday. Wednesday evening, that becomes storm number 3. And then this weekend, we have storm number 4. So what's the difference? What happened? Why were we not tracking a parade of storms early on, and now we are going into the second week of February? So just last week, we had a west to east oriented jet, and that's what fueled the record warm temperatures we had down south. But that's also what created more of a big ice threat as opposed to snowstorms with the low pressures that we found moving across the East Coast. Now, what we're tracking this week, though, is a small dip in that jet stream, which is allowing cooler air, and bitterly cold at that for spots along the Central Plains, to pull farther south. And that's going to help create just enough of that cold air to provide snow with these systems that ride in. Now, based upon where these systems are coming from, they're actually going to be moving a little farther south, which is why not only are we talking about snow with this, but we also have a severe weather potential Wednesday and late this weekend into Saturday. It's also what's going to be causing the potential of maybe seeing ice or just purely rain for spots along the I-95. So this is storm number 2, looking at you for Tuesday and into Wednesday morning. There's a low-end chance of maybe seeing some pea-sized hail for areas like East Texas moving into Louisiana. Overall, though, the severe threat really takes shape coming up on Wednesday. But just as storm number 2 moves out, storm number 3 is already building in the plains. Now, it's this storm, Wednesday through Thursday evening, that's actually going to be the most potent. Not only for the rain and the flash flood threat we have in the southeast, which we'll get to later on, but for the snow totals that we could see in areas like Omaha, Des Moines, Chicago, Detroit, Michigan as well. The one thing all these storms have in common, though, is where they end up, that being the northeast. Now, areas like New York City, we are a few days out. So with storm number 4 coming through this weekend, we do have some question marks. Will it be purely rain, which is somewhat where it's trending right now, a bit on the warmer side of things? Or can we tap into a little more cooler air that would provide more of a snowier solution? Now, based upon how things have gone over the winter season, over the last couple of years, I would say don't get your hopes up if you want the snow for it to be a cooler solution. It looks like we are trending towards more rain for the I-95. As far as the rest of the country, though, over 161 million people will at least get a dusting, so that's something. At least 6 inches, though, 53 million people, with heavy snow expected in that stripe of pink there from central Nebraska all the way to the Great Lakes. But there is some science behind how weather impacts people's spending habits. I'm sure my dad, who also serves as my accountant, will agree with this. Weather Trend 360 is a company that helps businesses manage those weather risks. CEO and co-founder of Weather Trend 360, Bill Kirk, joined Fox Weather earlier to dive into the understanding of weather patterns and how that can impact supply and demand for businesses.
You know, we call it the
seasonal sales. So a good example this winter would be every degree colder year over year, there's about a 7% increase in heater sales or coat sales, right? So one of our big clients, Medea, had tons and tons of heaters because everybody flocked to buy heaters, right? So when Walmart calls in a panic, they had the heaters. When Home Depot called in a panic, they had the heaters. Remember last year we only had one polar vortex mid-January, and that was winter. We had a warm December, a warm January, February, and that one cold blast epic in the middle of January. This year you had one in late November, early December, 2 weeks in January. Now we're